Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm obsessed with cardboard these days, so you will be seeing lots of cardboard craft in coming videos. During my random Google search, I came across some really cute fairy doors. So today we'll making my version of fairy door, and I'm really obsessed with them. I have more fairy doors and you will see them in my coming videos. For this fairy door, you need two pieces of cardboard. The one cardboard piece is relatively larger in size from the other one. I gave this fairy door triangular shape and further cut it into pieces so they can look like irregular shaped wooden planks. I made this fairy door relatively in large size because I wanted to utilize it in decoration for my daughter's Amin celebration. Once you have glued together the cardboard pieces, take some water, approximately half of cup, and add some glue into it. Oops, I used the brush that was already dipped in yellow color. It's alright, we will be painting it with darker color once it is dried out. So what actually we are doing here, we dip the napkin into this mixture and give it a shape of cement block or a rock to cover the outer edges of the fairy door. Take a generous amount of glue to attach them and keep on placing them on top of it. You can do this step in another way. You can make these blocks out of napkin and place them in air to dry, and then you can attach it on cardboard. But whatever method you choose to make these blocks, keep that in mind that it will take a lot of time for them to dry. Moving on further, take a half cup of water and add 3 tablespoons of plaster of Paris into it. Make this paste and apply it on all over the cardboard. Try to do this step fast because plaster of Paris dries quickly and it will make it difficult for you to give it a shape. Take a toothpick or a shashlik stick to run it between the cardboard pieces so we won't lose the original shape. Mark some lines with this shashlik stick while the paste is still wet. Now leave it to dry it completely. Once it is dried, cover it with some lighter shade in the middle and we will cover the edges with some darker tone of the same color. Since we are rubbing our brush on dried plaster of Paris, so you may be needing large quantity of paint. To make the hinges of the door, take a foaming sheet and cut these small rectangles which are pointed from one end and circular from the other end. Place 2 circle of foaming sheet on top of it and then cover it with black color. Once the black color is dry, cover it again with golden color. We have done this to give these hinges bit rustic vintage look. I have made this tiny cute door lock with same foaming sheet. Once your basic door is ready, you can decorate it in whatever way you want. I have some foaming sheet flowers here. These are really cute and they are really complementing with the blue color of the door. I made these foaming flowers for some other decorative purpose. You can decorate your fairy door with whatever you are available with. This beautiful fairy door is ready. Hope you like it. Bye bye until next video.